I'm Shorudip Ghosh, part of the Neural Night team working behind OmniSight-AI. So the problem is simple. Gig workers in India like Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, they only earn when they deliver. A flood hits, a curfew drops, or let's say the app crashes, they lost the entire day's money and nobody pays them back. So we have built Omniscient AI to fix that. It automatically detects this disruption and pays the worker instantly. No claim forms, no waiting, nothing. Let me go through the system architecture. So the worker just registers, picks their zone, and our AI sets a small weekly premium. After that, the system runs on its own, watching weather, traffic, city alerts 24/7. And the moment something crosses a threshold, it triggers automatically and finds the affected workers, check for fraud, and processes the payout. And worker just receives the money. Let me go through the AI workflow. So we have used three ML models. One scores the zone risk, one predicts the disruption before they happen, and one catches fraud. So the data goes in and model processes it, and the payout goes out. And no human need to do anything at any point. That's the omniscient AI. Thank you.